How did it feel to enter the gates of Labasna? पहली फीलिंग क्या थी?
That was an experience which I can never explain in words.
मेरे को ये बताओ कृतिका, आपको इंटर्नशिप के बारे में मालूम कब पड़ा? लाइक यू गेट टू नो अबाउट इट इन न्यूज़पेपर्स, ऑनलाइन, कॉलेज में मालूम पड़ा, कैसे पता चला? खुद भी मुझे नहीं मालूम था इन इंटर्नशिप्स के बारे में. सो इफ यू वांट टू गिव अ मैसेज टू योर फेलो फ्रेंड्स हु आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, हाउ डू यू स्टे सो प्रोएक्टिव इन ग्रैबिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी? सब यही जानना चाहते हैं कि कैसे आपको लबासना में इंटर्नशिप मिली.
Most students, they will not apply thinking that oh मेरा तो selection ही नहीं होगा.
What kind of educational qualification you need to have to get this, to be eligible for this internship? ये बताओ ऑडियंस को, करंट अफेयर्स का कोई फायदा हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
One day before the interview, I just sat there and every important.
So, hey guys, welcome to the first episode of UPSC and Beyond with UPSC Gaur Se Padho. Today I have with me Kritika Garg. Kritika Garg is a UPSC aspirant. She's a UPSC aspirant and I'm very proud to say that she is my student. ऑल्सो ये थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट है. अब उसका रीज़न क्या है वो आपको वीडियो के थंबनेल से देख के ज़रूर मालूम पड़ गया होगा. बट पहले मैं आपको अपने बारे में कुछ बता दूं. माय नेम इज़ विभू गौर एंड आई टीच करंट अफेयर्स फॉर यूपीएससी. इन द पास्ट 1.5 years we have built a community of more than 100k aspirants on my Instagram channel and a family of more than 14,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Now, so like I mentioned, Kritika is a UPSC aspirant, but a different one. Why? Because she couldn't wait to get into Labasna. Even before clearing the exam, even before clearing the UPSC Civil Services examination, she somehow found her way into Labasna. And not just that, she also landed up an internship with Ministry of External Affairs recently. So that's pretty cool. So आई एम प्रिटी श्योर दैट यू गाइज आर ऑल्सो वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो कि भाई ऐसा क्या कर दिया कि हम इतना वेट करते हैं लबासना जाने के लिए और कृतिका अभी से एक बार लबासना होके आ चुकी हैं. तो वो चीज़ हम कृतिका से ही पूछते हैं. कृतिका, वेलकम टू द शो. आई एम सो हैप्पी टू हैव यू हेयर विद मी टुनाइट.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, I want to thank you for this opportunity. So that means a lot.
ग्रेट कृतिका. कृतिका, बिफोर आई आस्क यू, मैं आपसे, आई नो सब यही जानना चाहते हैं कि कैसे आपको लबासना में इंटर्नशिप मिली, पर उससे
Yes.
पहले मैं आपसे पूछूंगा दैट हाउ डिड इट फील टू एंटर द गेट्स ऑफ लबासना? पहली फीलिंग क्या थी?
Sir, like the first feeling was like I came one day prior,
ओके.
but because Labasna has a very strict protocol, so the day I came, like I came in the evening, so my office was from the next day, so I didn't have any iCard or I didn't have my iCard on that day, so I was not allowed to enter on that very
ओके.
day. So I was a bit disheartened at that point, but that also made me feel that okay, Labasna actually follows protocol to the core, to the point that even though I have been invited there, but I was still not allowed inside without a proper iCard. But then when I entered, like my first day at work, so that was surreal. Like I was just kind of grasping in that okay, this is the place where we all want to be, the place where we all dream of. So it just lives up to the standards.
Lovely, lovely. So, Kritika, first of all, tell me about your internship. What was this internship about, and how did you get this internship?
Yes, sir. So definitely. So basically, there is an internship at
Mhm.
there's a National Center for Law and Administration called NCLA.
Okay.
So the office of NCLA that is in Labasna, Missouri. So it is inside the premises of Labasna itself,
Okay.
and like it is managed or mostly the work which is given to us that is given by the professors and by the joint directors and by the various directors who are associated with Labasna and who work there and who are also responsible for making or taking lectures of the officer trainees.
Okay.
So we directly worked, so they were the people who assigned us works, and there
Okay.
are certain TAs who
Mm.
we were engaged with.
Mm.
So the mainly the camp, like I said, the office is located inside Labasna, so we were spending our 9 to 5 inside
Inside
the
Lavasna.
academy only.
So you were staying
Yes,
inside
yes.
Lavasna?
Sir, actually, like when I went in, like I mainly went in October. So it was
Okay.
a 4 weeks. It's a 4 week internship. So
Okay.
at that time, since the 100th foundation course was going on, so the all the OTs were also there. So we
Okay.
couldn't get the accommodation inside the Labasna. Like we could not stay at the hostels. But
Okay.
when the interns come, like in the off season when there are no OTs, so at that time you stay inside. So we were given an accommodation by them only. So by NCLA, we were provided 3 meals as well. Then we were given the
Mm.
accommodation as well. So all of that was provided, but we were not per se staying inside the campus.
Okay, I remember that we were on call when you were in Labasna and you were walking
Yes,
up
sir.
uphill. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, I remember that. Great, great, Kritika. Kritika, एक बात बताओ. So to get this internship, particular internship, you have to have a law background, I am sure, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and do you have to be a graduate or a postgraduate? What kind of educational qualification you need to have to get this, to be eligible for this internship?
Yes, sir. So the qualification is that we have to be in a final year. So only
Okay,
fifth year students were allowed. Like right now,
fifth
I'm
year
in my
law
fifth year.
graduate,
Yes, sir. So like in undergraduate degree, so we have
undergraduate.
five
Okay, okay.
year,
Hmm.
or if you are doing like 6 year degree, then you have to be in your
Okay,
final
okay,
year of law.
okay. Got it, got it. Great.
Yes,
So
sir.
you mentioned that 100th foundational course was going on there. So did you meet any OT?
Yes, sir. I did
Okay.
interact with many OTs. So there were some faces which we regularly see. We see their
Hmm.
interviews. So I got to meet many people, many OTs, and I
Okay.
got to interact with them.
Pictures click कराई?
No, sir. Sir, there is a strict policy, no pictures at all
Okay.
inside the campus. So they are very strict with that regard. So
Okay.
even with the OTs, we were strictly instructed that we have to maintain like our professionalism. So we have to interact with them in a very professional capacity.
सो कृतिका पहले मुझे बताओ कि अच्छा 4 वीक्स यू वर देयर इन लबासना, ठीक है? तो
Yes, sir.
आपका 9 to 5 आपने बोला इंटर्नशिप होता था. सो व्हाट डिड दैट 9 to 5 लुक लाइक? कैसे आपका पूरा दिन जाता था?
Yes, sir. So mostly it started with either we had previous work, so we were completing that.
ओके.
Otherwise, it mostly started with like we used to go and meet the sir who was assigned to us and who was assigning us all the work. So we used to firstly go at his office and then meet him there, and he would assign us various tasks. So like throughout my internship period, there were various type of fields or various type of tasks that we were given. Like for example that if like in my duration there were like 2 to 3 law sessions
ओके.
which were conducted for the OTs, so
ओके.
we attended those as well. So we were like we had to sit in the back and write the questions and just like observe how the classes go, because the professors take the classes, so we were helping them with that. But otherwise it was mostly like research based work as well. And then we also aided in various things like making the newsletter or like some other clerical works. So it was mainly oriented on that. So we were assigned our task, and then we had to leave the office at the designated time. Sometimes in my case it didn't happen, but sometimes it happens that we can stay for a bit longer until and
ओके.
unless our task is done. So then but after that we were like free, so we could just log the office and then go.
ओके. एंड द एकेडमी इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. छोड़ने का मन ही क्यों करेगा? है ना? मसूरी
Yes, sir.
घूमा? मसूरी में?
Yes,
मसूरी
sir.
itself is so beautiful यार. It's such a beautiful place. सो लोगों
Yes,
का तो ऐसे
sir.
ड्रीम होता है इतना, वो कहते हैं ना लाइक योर ऑफिस इज लाइक गोल्स. सो आपने तो वो
Yes,
कर
sir.
दिया. अच्छा, मेरे को ये बताओ कृतिका, आपको इंटर्नशिप के बारे में मालूम कब पड़ा? लाइक यू गेट टू नो अबाउट इट इन न्यूज़पेपर्स, ऑनलाइन, कॉलेज में मालूम पड़ा, कैसे पता चला?
Yes, so sir, actually, very unexpectedly, I got to know about the internship from an Instagram reel. So,
इंस्टाग्राम इज यूजफुल.
yes, sir. So, even about God se Parado, I got to know from Instagram. So, I would say that it is pretty useful.
ग्रेट, ग्रेट, ग्रेट. राइट. हाँ, सो आपने इंस्टाग्राम रील से देखा, फिर आपने क्या किया, कैसे अप्लाई किया?
Yes, sir. So, like I saw it, so they
हम्म.
had various slots in which we could apply. So it
हम्म.
was very strict that we have to apply on in these particular dates.
ओके.
So, like I applied, I my duration was from 29th September to 24th October.
ओके.
So 4 weeks. So I applied on that slot, and fortunately, like I applied in August. So I
ओके.
applied on, if I'm not wrong, I think I applied on 26th or 27th August for this
ठीक है.
slot, and thankfully, like in one day, I got the acceptance mail.
हम्म.
So then like I just started for 1 week. I prepared for it. I collected my documents, and
हम्म.
we basically they require mooting experience if we have any experience in mooting, and we have any
What is,
research
I'm so sorry
papers.
to interrupt you. What is mooting?
So basically mooting is like a mock law court experience, so that
Okay.
like us law students do. So there are
Okay.
various moot court competitions that are organized,
Okay.
like intra moot court, national moot courts, and international moot courts. So if you have done that like in like my 4 years, so I participated in a lot of moot court competitions. So we
Hmm.
had to, so there were like, they asked for two things only: moot court experience, and if we have any publications, any research papers which we have written. So we were like we had to like make a PDF and attach all these documents and some other identity proof and all those documents.
Okay.
So if we got accepted, then we got the mail.
Okay. Lovely. So this internship happens every year?
Yes, sir. It happens every year, and it's mostly like on a rolling basis.
Okay.
So, like even if right now you open it, so there might be a slot for the next
Oh,
month. So it's
okay,
mostly
okay.
on a rolling basis.
Right. So I'm pretty sure anyone who is from the law background they might get interested, and through
Yes,
this
sir.
video they'll get that awareness that आपको भी तो Instagram reel के through ही पता चला इसके बारे में. So if you are,
Yes, sir.
I am talking to the audience that if you are from the law background, then please make sure that you grab this opportunity, especially if you are interested in UPSC exam. I mean, who wants to miss the chance to visit Lavasna once in their lifetime, right? चलो, बहुत बढ़िया कृतिका. अब ये बताओ बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस क्या था इन 4 हफ्तों का. अगर आपको कोई एक एक्सपीरियंस मेरे साथ शेयर करना है कि ये मेरा द इट वाज द हाईलाइट ऑफ द एंटायर इंटर्नशिप, तो वो क्या था?
Sir, I think I'll say two experiences were the best.
Mm-hmm.
First one was, so there's an India Day which is celebrated in
Yeah.
Lavasna.
Yes, yes.
So that was an experience which I can never explain in words, because all the OTs were there. They were performing of, they were giving performances from their respective states.
Hmm.
So they performed, they danced there, they showed us what, like they actually showed us India's culture. So that was one of the amazing experience. Plus they
Hmm.
also had the system that there were cuisines from all the four zones, so they
Hmm.
divided it like north zone, south zone, west zone, and east zone. So, and like 2 days it was so fun, because the entire campus, like there were areas designated. So let's
Hmm.
say there is a particular zone, so
Hmm.
that zone was represented in that area, so decoration
Okay.
was there. There were parades which were like the OTs were parading one day. They were like representing their zone to the core. So even in the aspects of food, in the aspects of culture. So
Hmm.
that was like those 2 days were definitely my highlight.
Hmm.
And then fortunately I celebrated Diwali as well.
Oh, lovely.
So on Diwali, I was there in the campus. So
Hmm.
that was also great, because like in the academy, because otherwise we used to see the OTs in a very professional capacity, because the
Hmm.
OTs, their schedule is so packed that we even, like we could not get to interact with them a lot, because they had a very strict and tight schedule which they had to follow.
Okay.
But then these were some of the days when we got to know that about the people, we got to know about the OTs, and we
Hmm.
celebrated Diwali with them. So
Hmm.
that was also one of the experiences. But India Day, that was, I think, the highlight for me.
Lovely. Great. I'm sure it must be a magical experience. So
Yes, sir.
now I assume, Kritika, that you want to get into the Indian Foreign Service, if I'm right.
Yes, sir.
That is why now I want to shift our focus to the Ministry of External Affairs internship. भाई क्या चाहती हो? एक internship खत्म होती है, दूसरी आ जाती है ना? So when you texted me about the MEA internship, I was like so curious कि भाई एक internship खत्म हुई, दूसरी पकड़ ली, and then you got selected as well. So just for the context, Kritika messaged me a few days before her interview for the MEA internship. She wanted to talk about some current affairs. So I just told her about few things, and then few days later I got a text that, oh look, I got selected in the MEA internship as well. So I was like, okay, now we have to shoot a podcast with Kritika because भाई कमाल करते हो. ठीक है, तो अब ये बताओ ये MEA की इंटर्नशिप की क्या कहानी है, और उससे पहले ये
Yes, sir.
बताओ ऑडियंस को करंट अफेयर्स का कोई फायदा हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. हमारे करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ती हो, उसका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है?
Yes, sir. So coming to the first question, current affairs ka actually it was very beneficial, because when I came for the interview, I was very confident, because like you said, you guided me with all the areas, ki
Right.
what all areas are there. And one of the particular things which really helped me was, so before one day before my internship, I was just looking at the portal, looking at the app. So I've downloaded the app, and on that there was, I found a consolidated PDF of 3 months being
Yeah.
consolidated PDF of
अब
the
तो 7
IR.
मंथ्स की भी आने वाली है.
Yes, sir. Sir, वो 3 months वाला, it has helped me a lot because one day before the interview, I just sat there and every important theme which you told me is important, like the multilateralism or even the recent, because when I gave the interview, India, Russia was very relevant. So everything I just got it in one document. And I just read that document 2 to 3 times. So that really helped me because I think the way you teach the current affairs, that is something, and with IR as well, because I've attended the live classes as well. So with that, the way you explain it, you explained in such a way that a person is actually curious and the person wants to know that this is actually how international relations works. So I think I got a depth of that and I was able to put that forth in my interview. So that really helped me.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, आई एम सो हैप्पी टू हेल्प। मेरे को बड़ा सा आई फील ग्लैड दैट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम माई साइड वुड हेल्प यू। अब बताओ मेरे को, फिर ये एमईए की इंटर्नशिप के बारे में इंस्टाग्राम रील से ही मालूम पड़ा?
नहीं सर, ये तो लाइक व्हेन आई वाज इन माय थर्ड ईयर, सो इसकी भी
ओके।
क्वालिफिकेशन वही है दैट ईदर यू नीड टू हैव अ लॉ डिग्री
अच्छा,
और
इसमें
यू
भी
शुड
लॉ?
बी इन योर। यस सर।
ओके।
नो सर, एक्चुअली एमईए की दो तरीके की इंटर्नशिप्स होती हैं।
ओके।
वन इज अ नॉर्मल इंटर्नशिप, सो इन दैट everyone can apply. So there are
ओके।
like they take interns in two durations.
ओके।
So they have divided all the states and UTs in India in 2 terms. So like for me, since I live in Chandigarh, so for me it was January. So I
ओके।
could apply in January. So January to June was my period, and then some states are covered in the June to December period.
ओके।
So the normal internship anyone can apply,
ओके।
but in like I applied for MEA internship in international law because
ओके।
like if I wanted to apply for normal internship, that would have been in January, so I would have
ओके।
to wait till January. So I applied in international law. So for this there was a requirement that either you should be in your final year, and even for other internship, if I'm not wrong, the requirement is there that either you should have completed your undergraduate degree or you should be in your final year. So I got to know about this internship when I was in my third year. So I was just waiting कि मैं कब fifth year में जाऊंगी and I apply. So MEA का वैसे था.
ओके। सो इसकी जो क्वालिफिकेशन आपने एलिजिबिलिटी बताई, कुछ एज एलिजिबिलिटी भी होती है इंटर्नशिप की?
Yes, sir. So, like for the, I'm not sure about the normal internship, but for this one, I think it was that we should not be exceeding 27 years of age.
ओके।
So for the MEA one, those who have completed their undergraduate, they can also apply for it. So there's no rule that you have to be in college. So either you have to be in your final year or the age has to be there. But if you have completed your degree, like you can still apply.
And for how long this internship is?
So we had an option. So it is minimum 1 month and maximum 3 months.
So you have chosen for 3 months?
So 2 months.
2 months, okay, lovely. And
Yes, sir.
when will you start your internship in MEA?
Sir, I've not gotten the final like dates, but I
Okay.
am assuming it might be in January,
So
most probably mid-Jan.
so you will be working in the Ministry of External Affairs, or is there any travel also involved?
No, sir, I think in the ministry itself.
ओके। ओके, लवली लवली। एंड यार मतलब कृतिका, ये तो आपकी इंटर्नशिप्स के बारे में हो गया। नाउ आई वांट टू नो दैट सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स अक्रॉस द कंट्री दे प्रिपेयर फॉर यूपीएससी, एंड लाइक मैं खुद भी, मुझे नहीं मालूम था इन इंटर्नशिप्स के बारे में। सो इफ यू वांट टू गिव अ मैसेज टू योर फेलो फ्रेंड्स हु आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, है ना, दैट हाउ डू यू स्टे सो प्रोएक्टिव इन ग्रैबिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी? लाइक आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव दैट यू हैव टू बी एट द राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम। अपॉर्चुनिटी जब भी आती है, आप कितने रेडी हो, ठीक है, वो मैटर करता है। सो आई थिंक द वन थिंग आई लर्न फ्रॉम यू इज पर्टिकुलरली दैट यू आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट might come your way, and I think that is absolutely a wonderful quality, and I must appreciate you for that. And I can say this today on record that you will be going to Labasna again, and that time you'll be going there as an OT, and then you'll be visiting the MEA again, and that will be as an Indian Foreign Service officer, and this will get recorded on YouTube. It will be there, and we'll come back and watch this video when you will be in the MEA as an Indian Foreign Service officer. So yeah, so any particular message that you want to share, that how can other students be like you and stay proactive like you?
Yes, sir, so definitely. So thank you for the kind words, and I am really, really hoping for that.
Yeah.
So now coming to what I would want to say to the students, I think it will be like you mentioned that I think it is important for you to be always curious and always to
Hmm.
look for more things in life. That
Right.
I think that being like with UPSC, we have this conception that we are preparing, and obviously it is a rigorous preparation and we are
Right.
giving all our time, all our attention. But I feel that if somewhere we can get the practical experience of things, that
Mhm.
helps a lot, because now I know that what I will be getting myself into. Now I know what Labasna is, because for
Hmm.
us UPSC aspirants, Labasna is just an idea at this point that we
Right.
want to get there, but we don't know the practicality of it. So
Hmm.
I think my advice personally would be that, like you said, that grab everything, but at the same time, don't be afraid to try everything. Because
Right.
even if you apply, because sir, what I feel is most students, they will not apply thinking that, oh, mera to selection hi nahi hoga, because obviously the competition is there. But I think you need to take that first step of applying,
Yeah.
because once you apply, because some internships like the MEA one, there was a rigorous process. We got shortlisted, and then there was an interview which took place. So even those things shape you a lot, regardless of if you get selected or not. But I
Right.
think the first step is to actually believe in yourself and to actually apply for things, and to give yourself that space that yes, maybe I am just opening myself to new experiences. So I think that is the step which everyone should take, regardless of where they are in their preparation, because maybe new opportunities will keep on presenting themselves.
Right. So if we have to summarize that, वो कहते हैं ना एक quote है कि if you run you stand a chance of losing, but if you don't run you have already lost. है ना?
Yes, sir, exactly.
I mean, it was so lovely talking to you, and I feel so proud being your teacher. I mean, I am very proud today that you are my
Thank you.
student, right? And I wish you all the very best in your career. Keep grabbing these amazing opportunities and keep making people aware. Also, just a very small bit of advice from my side and to you as well as all the students watching this video, all the aspirants, that see, I mean, one lesson that we can learn from Kritika is that in life, you know, you can either sit and just make excuses and complain about your situation, about the things happening around you, or you stay proactive, stay curious, you face your fear, your insecurities. Because in UPSC what happens is now people get very underconfident because एग्जाम ही ऐसा है ना, आपको ये
Yes, sir.
एग्जाम, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को देख रहे होते हो वो तरक्की कर रहे हैं, उनकी जॉब लग रही है और आप एक जगह स्टक हो। ऐसा नहीं है। आप अगर यूपीएससी की तैयारी करते हो, आप इतनी नॉलेज गेन करते हो, यू बिकम सच अ नॉलेजेबल पर्सन, और आपको बस अपने अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस रखना है कि हमको उस नॉलेज को यूज करना है। एग्जाम एक दिन निकलेगा नहीं निकलेगा वो आपकी डेस्टिनी है, आपका मेहनत है, इट इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ योर एफर्ट एंड योर लक, ठीक है। बट मीन वाइल वी हैव टू इंजॉय द प्रेपरेशन, एंड कृतिका इज अ लाइव एग्जाम्पल कि वो अपनी लाइफ को, अपने करियर को इंजॉय कर रही हैं, तभी वो इन अपॉर्चुनिटीज को देख पा रही हैं, उनको ग्रैब कर पा रही हैं। एंड आई थिंक कृतिका, यही मेरी जो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस और अब उम्र हो गई है, तो मैं यही बोल सकता हूँ आपको देख के, जो हमने नहीं किया अपने टाइम में, ऑनेस्टली मैंने खुद ने नहीं किया, आप अपनी जर्नी को ना एंजॉय कर रहे हो, और आपकी सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ यही है। आप किसी गोल को चेज नहीं कर रहे हो, आप प्रोसेस को एंजॉय कर रहे हो, और उसमें क्या हो रहा है, जो आपके पास आ रहा है आप उसको देख रहे हो और एंजॉय कर रहे हो। आपने वो गोल यूपीएससी का ऐसा नहीं बना लिया है कि जिस दिन मुझे वो एग्जाम निकलेगा उस दिन देखो मैं दिखा दूंगी, मैं अपनी रील बना दूंगी, नहीं। दैट इज वाई यू आर हेयर, ठीक है, और आप अभी से यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस सो मेनी थिंग्स, सो आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। इट वॉज एन ऑनर एंड आई फील सो, अगेन आई एम जस्ट रिपीटिंग दैट, आई फील सो प्राउड बीइंग योर टीचर। इट वॉज लवली टॉकिंग टू यू, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेकिंग आउट टाइम। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर एमईए इंटर्नशिप, ठीक है,
Thank you,
एंड
sir.
ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर यूपीएससी एग्जामिनेशन इज वेल, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो
Thank you
मच।
so much, sir.
थैंक यू कृतिका।
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, the honor has been all mine that I got this opportunity. And again, thank you for being my teacher, because I've learned so much from you and I will continue doing that. So thank you so much, sir.
My pleasure, my pleasure, Kritika, thank you so much।
Thank you,
चलो।
sir.